Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to use vidIQ for beginners. Well, are you looking for a quick guide on how to use vidIQ? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so vidIQ is an online education website that offers video tutorials and analytics on YouTube channel growth. So the website also has a Google Chrome extension which allows you to analyze YouTube analytics data. It's often compared with Google Chrome extension TubeBuddy. So people say TubeBuddy is better, people say vidIQ is better, but in my opinion, they're both great. It's just a matter of preference. So how do you download vidIQ? So vidIQ, just go to Google with any browser on your Mac PC or laptop, and just type in vidIQ. And this is going to show you the sponsored link, but this is the page. So when you click on this, you're going to be brought here. This isn't going to be this is the dashboard because I've already logged in. So create an account is very straightforward. Creating an account, it's very straightforward, and it's gonna bring you here. And as you can see here, it's a bit much. So idea how to use. Okay, so they're gonna give you ideas, right? And as you can see here, prediction indicates the views your child could get for this idea. Very high, medium. Right? AI title recommendations. I think this is new. So AI can help you with title recommendations. Let's type in phasmophobia and let's get title ideas. For the free version, this is very limited in my opinion. And there you go. Terrifying truth about phasmophobia, escape the hunting, overcoming phasmophobia, unmasking the paralyzing fear. Okay. So keyword opportunities, channel access token is expired. Can show some data points. So again, you need to re-authenticate your channel, which I have not done. Competitors, top videos. So you're gonna have a lot of tools that can help your channel grow on YouTube. And if you see the dashboard, it has daily ideas like this. And as you can see, daily ideas that they gave me. Come back tomorrow for more ideas. So if you upgrade to boost, you're gonna get the full blown experience of vidIQ, which it's a bit pricey, but if you're dead set on growing, creating your own brand and channel on YouTube, then it's worth it in my opinion. AI generator is just new. Create a video about, so they're gonna just do it, right? Let's type in phasmophobia, the game, right? And it's gonna create this. For the haunted devs phasmophobia game review. So so it gives you a description, gives you keywords and thumbnail backgrounds, which is kind of cool, but it's not really. I don't think this is a good. It's probably new, so I don't know. And then keywords, keywords are, people say not important, but they are. Come on, let's be honest. They're not super integral to your channel or videos, but they still help. They still help. And then competitors, you're gonna this is gonna show you your competitors, right? But not enough competitor data because this channel is kind of dead. Subscribers, upgrade to boost, so you need to be, this is boost to AI coach is, you need to re-authenticate. So yeah, and if you want to upgrade, this is going to be the thing. So for the monthly, it's going to be $49. To go annual, $39. And as you can see, this is the most popular. What you get is instant child audits, and advice from our AI coach, 50 daily video ideas powered by AI with unlimited customization. So they kind of, I don't want to say lazy, but it's AI optimized now. Same time publishing your videos with our AI description generators. Apparently, it's a lot of AI stuff now, because before it wasn't AI, or at least it's not too much AI. Automatic renewal, 24/7 chat support, cancel at anytime, which is pretty good. So that's pretty much it. And if you go to YouTube, right, like this one, and you have ChatGPT. All right, so if vidIQ is, if you have the vidIQ extension, you're going to see this one on their YouTube desktop. It's like it's for your channel, right? It's for your videos, it's for the views, engagement, everything. But if you see like this, like if you look at other videos that is not yours, you're gonna see 27.9K VPH, views per hour. What that means is views per hour. So VidIQ shows that, right? So if we click on this video from Muse Asia for a second, let's pause that because we don't want anything. You're gonna see this menu over here. This is the VidIQ menu. Once you've installed it in Chrome, you don't need to pay for this. This is free, and you're gonna see overview score. So 67.9 out of 100. VidIQ score is the popularity of a video based on engagements and views relative to other videos on YouTube. So 99 out of 100 would mean that it's in the 99th percentile of videos on YouTube, built on an equal weight of views and engagement. So views per hour, like what I said, 27.9 thousand, which is pretty good, right? Views, 340.9K. So, and then duration is the duration of the video. And if you go down social, it says it's gonna show you all the likes. YouTube, 19 Facebook likes. You have Reddit, but there's none. SEO score 74.1 out of 100, which is pretty good. Description link count 8 out of 19. Description word count 374. So you're gonna see here, well, video optimization checklist. It says it's gonna title too long, too short. Good description, good cards, no end credits. Has good high resolution thumbnail shared on Facebook, public, pinned comment, hearted comment. And then the channel, you're gonna see the channel statistics, and then you're gonna see the video tags. And in the video tags, you're gonna see number one is the video ranks for in YouTube. So if you tag a video tag on this and it's ranked, it's gonna help your video get more get more views. And topics, entertainment, film, channel tags, as you can see. So it's a pretty good tool to have, especially if you're extremely serious in growing your brand through YouTube, growing your business through YouTube, and potentially earning revenue from it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.